Hi everybody, this is Matt, my friend Rodney from This Old Pilot. Well, guess what? The Titan, along with Fred the Ercoupe, went back up in the air tonight.
Felt good.
Yeah, it did. Because the Titan's been down for a while. Had to send the gearbox off to have it repaired. 1,000-hour inspection, and basically I sent it to Lockwood Aviation, and they're down in Florida. They're a great Rotax facility, and I'm not getting paid to say this because I had to pay for getting that thing looked at. And so they basically cleaned the clutch, put in a couple of thrust washers, shimmed it, and so she went out for her first test flight tonight. And I have to tell you, Rod, it went pretty smooth.
Good.
So Rodney has been one of my helpers. And what do you think about the whole thing? What do you think about these Rotax engines?
Well, you've had really good luck so far, so I think they're putting them on everything now, so.
Yeah. Well, they're a good engine, and the technician that I talked to down at Lockwood said that since I burn MoGas, which is, auto gas, premium only, that there was no lead inside of the gearbox that he had to touch and clean out, and there was also no lead in between the clutch plates and the clutch pack.
That's good.
So just attention to detail helps keep you in the air, and about the only thing I'm thinking right now is maybe re-pitch the prop a little bit and just keep an eye on her and make sure that everything is okay. And
I think you just want to pitch it because you couldn't pass me up there tonight. No
well,
comment.
no, he is actually kind of right. Yeah, I couldn't pass him.
You seem trying to pass me on the inside.
Yeah, I did.
Well, I kind of had Fred a little fireball there for a while.
Well, I thought that you did too. But whenever you work on something that's aviation related, you just have to make sure that you dot your I's and cross your T's. And through this entire process, nothing was rushed. Absolutely nothing. And so I got it back from Lockwood, probably about 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Just got it back in the air tonight. So anyway, that's just part of maintaining your own experimental amateur build, which is what this is. And there you have it. So happy flying, be safe out there. I had 3 really nice landings.
Yeah.
So
It was a beautiful night. So.
yes, it was. So from This Old Pilot and Rodney to you, happy flying.